This theme park hotel is hard to beat. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace and welcome to Queensbury, New York. We are here at the Great Escape Lodge, right across the street from Six Flags Great Escape. Now, this hotel is a special one. I'm gonna show you around. So it does have complimentary parking for guests. You can park right out front here. It has a big Adirondack chair out front. I love how it feels like a log cabin. And let's head inside and I'll show you around. I'm gonna be giving you a resort and a room tour today, but first I wanna point out that you can actually walk to Six Flags Great Escape from here. It is genuinely right across the street. Insert footage of me doing it here. All right, so we're headed on the walking path to go to the park. We just walked out of the lobby right here, went to the left, and we're gonna go pretty much all the way around the building to get to Six Flags Great Escape. Let's start our timer and see how long it takes. Alongside me right here is actually the road to get into the park for all guests as well. You could see the parking sign for regulars. Park guests is $30 for daily, $40 for preferred. This sign is promoting Holiday Lodge, Holiday in the Lodge. That's super cute. So the park won't be open for the holidays, but you can have some holiday fun at the Great Escape Lodge. Wow, this slide is huge. Here is the parking lot. It's where you come in, and we're gonna keep walking this way. All right, 6 minutes and 50 seconds, and we are at the security right here at Six Flags Great Escape. Okay, now let's head in and show you what Great Escape Lodge is like. First, right when you walk in, you have all of these maps right here, which is really nice to see what they have in the area. And a really good thing here, Dollar Busters, these are the best coupons in the region here. So you can get like ice cream, this Goonie Golf. I love, my family used to come up to Lake George all the time and we used to play Goonie Golf, so you can save money on that. Bunch of coupons and flyers. Now walking in Six Flags Great Escape Indoor Water Park. I love this lodge, warm feeling. To the left here, you have this big fireplace. It is summer and it's like a heat wave today, so they don't have the fireplace actually running. Fun fact, I actually came here just a few months after this resort opened. So it opened in February of 2006, and my family decided to come here in April of 2006 for spring break. So it was really fun to see pictures of me at the water park and around this hotel from when I was 6 years old. And with that, enjoy this picture of me in front of this fireplace. Almost 20 years, oh my gosh, ew, I feel old, 20 years later. But anyway, they have this really cool lobby here with all of the light fixtures, with the wood and wooden benches and tables and chairs. Just feels very cozy and warm. And you got a big bear statue in the corner over here, and this is where you check in, guest registration. They have some more seating. We'll go to the left first. Check-in was super easy, and they have hours of operation for everything over here. They'll tell you all the information you need to know. Something I really like about Great Escape Lodge too is that they don't have a night stay minimum. So what I mean by that is a lot of the other hotels in the Lake George area, you have to stay for 2 nights. This doesn't have a minimum, which is really nice. This is the Bear Claw Cafe. You can get some quick grab-and-go breakfast items here, and they do serve Starbucks. A look at some of the pastries they have. Starbucks coffee, hot chocolate, refreshers, tea, and they have a Coke Freestyle machine over here. You can get some soda. So they have a microwave, toaster, utensils, and lobby restrooms. Right over here, they have the Kids Club. This is from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and it's really cute. You can like make t-shirts, arts and crafts, all that fun stuff in the Kids Club. They have a lot of options for kids to play here and for things to do. I have some free activities like coloring pages, movies, and some paid activities like sand art. There's rooms on the first floor this way, and then you head back and we can go to the other side of the lobby. Love this big bear, and then they have another bear over here, soda machine, and then this is one of the 3 dining options at Great Escape Lodge. This is Tall Tales. So this one is cool because it actually overlooks the water park. You can see the tables out here, and it also does have a balcony overlooking the water park. It is closed right now, that's why there's no one in there, but it's a pretty cool little pub style restaurant that's open for lunch and dinner. Seems like a popular restaurant too. Right over this way, these are the elevators that go up to the guest rooms and down to the water park. There's also stairs that take you down to the water park as well. Here's the Tall Tales menus. They have some starters, pasta, pizza, entrees, pretty reasonable prices too, salads, and a kids menu. Looks pretty good. Ooh, they have steak, chicken parm. Nice options here. Here in Northwoods Traders, you can find some hotel merchandise. You can find bathing suits, anything you might have forgotten, snacks, goodies, kids' toys, all in here. They have a convert cash to a prepaid card station as well. Six Flags Park is cashless. All right, and then if we cut this way, this is the Starlight Arcade. So this arcade has over 40 games. It spans 2 floors as well, and there is so much here. You can get your little arcade play card here and then enjoy all that the arcade has to offer. They have claw games, they have your classic arcade games, and the best part, prizes, of course. You can get a bunch of different prizes here from the arcade and some big prizes like this chess set. And here is the arcade on the second level. Here, this one is more quiet, which is nice. Good to know. And they do have 50% off every day, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. for happy hour. That's awesome. So here's some of the games that they have up here. Definitely a little smaller up here, but if you want to play these kind of games, oh, Guitar Hero, so fun. You can do that up here. And of course, they do have a game card up here. If you want to grab your game card up here, you could do that. So this is the second floor. These are rooms up here as well. And each of the hallways have really cool little like cute fun facts like this. Oakley, Beaver River, the northwestern regions of the Adirondacks. Just cute little fun facts. And up here overlooks the water park. So what is a water park? I'll show you a little bit from earlier today when it was open. Right over this way, we do have a lazy river that goes around the majority of the park. Over on this side, you have Boogie Bears, surf club, board rentals, little surfing simulator. The lazy river is really moving, so that's a fun thing to do. They have tables along the way here too, because there is a bar and grill right around here. So let's continue on. They have some chairs. Here's the entrance to the lazy river right down there. Here's Tippecanoe Beach, a little kiddie splash zone. Here's the bottom of slides. So these slides are cool because they do go outside. You can see through the window. There are 3 slides right here: Snowshoe Falls, Glacier Run, and Avalanche. You know what? I think I actually remember this ride. This is like one of those family raft rides. This raft ride is cool too because it does have a lift for the floats, so you don't have to carry that big raft up the stairs with you. So right here in the center, you have Tall Timbers Tree House, and this is this huge play area. It has slides coming out of here, a bunch of different water features, and of course that iconic big bucket that will dump on you right up top. Oh, and there goes the bucket, just jumped. That's classic. I like how they have these chairs around too, because you're not going in the water, but your family is. You can still watch them sit around. If you are staying here at Six Flags Great Escape Lodge, you get this purple wristband you wear throughout your stay. I put it on wrong, so that's on me. But this is my access to the water park, so I don't have to pay. So I don't have to pay the $60 entrance fee because I'm staying here. Another great perk of why you should stay at this resort. Plus, if you're staying here, you get complimentary towels upon entrance, compared to if you buy a day ticket, you have to bring your own towel. They have a gift shop here in the water park too. You can buy bathing suits, goggles, flip-flops, all of your water park essentials. They also have cabanas here, which is really nice. You can rent a luxury cabana for $120, or you can get a beach lounger. So if you want to secure that you have a nice spot to sit, you could do that. I'll show you the cabanas right now. Here's what the cabanas look like. It includes a mini fridge, a flat screen, and one large locker. So you don't have to worry about a locker rental if you get a cabana here. Here are the loungers. This is on the other side by the Boogie Bear Surf. So here is the Birch Bark Grill. You can get hot dogs, chicken sandwich, chicken strips, pizza, salads, popcorn, nachos, pretzels, Dippin' Dots, cookies, ice cream, all right here while you are in the water park. They have a Coke freestyle machine. You can fill up your soda. I'm scared. I'm scared. If you want a good deal, you can get a popcorn bucket for $10.49, and then every time you refill it, it'll be $1.99. So if you love popcorn, that's a great way to buy it. And those are the popcorn buckets right there. Here are the locker rentals. You can rent them for the day. Standard locker is $16, large is $18, and jumbo is $20. They also have changing rooms back here as well. This locker area. Something to note, if the park is open for longer than 5 hours, there will be a safety break from 1 p.m. to 2:15 p.m.
But it's really cool that, of course, there's an indoor water park, and this was actually the first indoor water park in New York when it opened in 2006. It's very expansive. It has a lazy river, so, you know, there's not your average hotel pool here. You have a whole entire water park to enjoy if you're staying here. So there are 3 dining options here. There is that Tall Tales. There is Hurricanes, which is downstairs right across from the water park. And we actually ate there for dinner. So here's a look at that. This is actually a bit of a chain. I think most of the locations are in Florida. So if you've ever been to one of these restaurants, let me know in the comments. And they're open for lunch and dinner here. So for the menu, we have a bunch of starters, sandwiches, tacos, quesadillas, wings, and tenders. Seems like they're big on their wings. They have a bunch of different flavors, burgers, salads, chili, and sides. We got to figure out what we want to get. And of course, drinks. Here are the nachos from Hurricanes. You got everything on here: salsa, tomatoes, onions, sour cream, jalapenos, cheese. Looks delicious. Let's eat. The nachos are good. The chips are nice and crunchy. That's essential for like a good nacho. You can't have soggy chips. All right, we have some entrees. Here is the hamburger with fries and the chicken quesadilla. Looks good. It smells good. Let's try it out. And I felt like I'm at Hurricane. I better get myself a Hurricane. So I got the Cat too. It has pineapple juice in it. I don't really remember what else, so I'll put it right here. I don't know. Let's try it out. I like the cherry. Wait, let me like stir it up a little bit. Oh, wow. I smell the rum. I smell the rum. Oh, mango, I think too. Tasty. Had to get one. Had to get one. All right, let's try the quesadilla. Another thing about the drink too, it was pretty reasonable. It was $12 and it's a good size. Quesadilla is really good too. It has tomatoes, cheese, chicken in here. And I like that it's nice and crunchy, but not too crunchy. It's cooked well. Hurricanes was delicious. That's the newest restaurant, and I would highly recommend going there, especially if you're coming back from the park, because when you walk back from the park to the hotel, you basically have to walk through it. You can walk right in, grab something to eat, and then head back to your room. Okay, so now from the lobby, let's go downstairs and I will show you what it looks like down here. Once again, there are elevators. This is the entrance to Whitewater Bay. Now, if you're staying at the hotel, all you have to do, show your wristband here and you'll get in. So you can see for overnight guests, they have towel service. For day guests, you need to bring your own towel. Then down the hall is going to be Hurricane Grill and Wings, and they do have restrooms right out here as well. So this is where we ate. Everything very close. It's not confusing to get around here. Look, water park, Hurricane right upstairs, the other restaurant literally directly above this. Easy to navigate. All right, we're headed up to the 3rd floor. This is a good overview of the hotel. You can see where everything is located. Okay, here is our floor 3.
I'll show you a look at the vending on each floor. You have ice, you have snack vending machine, you got gummies in here, goldfish, popcorn, chips, candy, Dasani, water, Powerade. You can see they even have theming in the hallways here, like the little light up crystals. And here's a look at the guest laundry. They have washer and dryer, and it's $2 per load. And they take quarters, so bring some quarters. Okay, are you ready to see our traditional suite here at the Great Escape Lodge? First, when you walk in, right here in this room, we do have a closet with hangers, ironing board, and iron. To the right, the bathroom. This is separate with a door. You have a toilet, towels, and a shower tub combo here. You do have some shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. You can see you got a shower curtain. Then right across the way is the vanity. I like how it is separate. You have some tissues down there, soap, sink, you know, your standard vanity. And it does have a hair dryer attached to the wall. Then right over here, don't mind our little cooler, but we have a microwave, a coffee maker, and ice bucket. Another garbage can too. I like that. I like when rooms have enough garbage space. Over here, this is a really nice sized room. Look how much space we have. There's a bench. You could put all of your belongings, drawers, and then back here, these are nice updated outlets USB-C and USB plug. You have your TV, which has Six Flags Great Escape Lodge branding on it with the date and the time. You have a desk over here with your chairs, lamp, which has a USB plug as well, and then a humongous refrigerator. Then you have your air conditioning unit, a window, and our view is actually of the park. Check that out. And that is the walking path right below us to go and head to the park. Then right behind me this way, we have a couch with a nice coffee table. Again, really nice space here. Look how clean and fresh it is. A nightstand and two queen beds with some bear and deer theming up top. In between the two beds, you have housekeeping information, another one of these great plugs with USB and USB-C, and a phone. Here's that nightstand. And that's our room. This is some more housekeeping information. You can let them know what you would like more of: shampoo, conditioner, plastic bags, and you just put all that information here. So really nice room here, very spacious. I love the key cards. We're room number 356, and you do get complimentary access to Wi-Fi. And they do have quiet hours here at the lodge, which is 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. You have to check out by 11 a.m., but you can still play the rest of the day in the indoor water park.
Overall, our stay at the Great Escape Lodge was great. It's the perfect hotel for families visiting the Lake George area. I love how it has different room types, and some rooms sleep up to 12. I have to give a shout out to the Wi-Fi too. It was great and worked really well. Tall Tales has a breakfast buffet option, and overall, this resort has just everything you need. I would absolutely stay here again. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my video from Six Flags Great Escape on my channel and subscribe for more fun adventures like this. See you in the next one. Peace.